What's up guys, it's Tech here, back for another awesome video, and as you guys can read in the title above, this is going to be on how to get free texting on your iPhone or iPod Touch. So, before I show you the app and how to do this, you're going to need an iPhone or iPod Touch, okay, I have an iPod Touch, with 3G or Wi-Fi, okay, you can use this with 2G, but it's going to run slow, so I don't recommend it, and yeah, you need this app called Textfree. It's right here. I'm going to show you it. Right there. You could download it from the link in my description, or just download it from the App Store. So I'm just going to click on it and run it, and you should get a pop-up like this, Textfree. And for your new users, you're going to have to register. I don't have to register because I already registered. So I'm just going to basically show you a rundown and then show you a little test video. So as you can see here, this is where your messages will appear, this little box here, and you got some ads down here that should support the text-free, because this is a free app. So yeah, and then you got three little buttons here. Let me zoom in. Right there, you got a refresh button, a settings button, and you create a new message. So as you guys know, the refresh button is just to refresh and see you got new messages, and then you got a settings button. So I'm going to show you that. So as you guys can see, you got your phone number. It should display it here, right there, and that's my phone number. You guys can text me. I'll have a link in the. I'll have my phone number in the description also. And then you got your username right there, and you could change it if you want by just clicking on it and enter and use a new username and password. So you can, and then put your password. And then my name's Ferris, as you guys can see in that. Ferris, like Ferris Bueller, rhymes with Paris. Pretty tight name. You could just type in your name. And then if you want to hide ads, you could hide them. It costs $6. And then here is set tones. This is actually a pretty new feature. Here, a pretty cool new feature. Let me zoom out so you guys can see this whole thing. It's a pretty cool new feature they added to Textfree. They never had this before. And you can have your own ringtones every time someone sends you a message. So to listen to them, you just click on them, as you guys can hear. I use a whale, a wow. It's like a scream, right there. And as you guys can hear it, and it's like a baby screaming or something. I don't know. And to program it as your tone, you just click on it. You should set it, and you could set tone for a new contact also. And then you got themes. And this is actually a new feature also. You got a bunch of themes here. And I'm just to preview them, you just click this little preview button, and it shows you how the little smiley faces are going to look like when you send the message and when you receive one. And I honestly use Inkbolt, but it comes as Pinger. This is Pinger, that's how they have it. I use Inkbolt, it's actually pretty tight. My bad, right there. It's actually pretty tight. And to program it, you just click on it, and it should program. You could put a theme for it, new contact also. Then you got email notifications and a text-free network, so you could text your other friends who are using text-free by using their email or phone number. And this also forwards your number. If you get a message, you'll forward it to your phone, but that will cost money, and you don't want money to be cost to your bill, because that's why you're using text-free, you know. And then you got this little create a new message button up here, and I'm going to do a little test and to show you the speed of it, of the text-free network in the app. So I'm going to enter my phone number here. I'm going to close the cap on my lens. Okay, so just type in the number. Okay, and I'm going to hit start text. Okay, so I'm going to cover my number here 1 second. I'm just gonna put this here. So I'm gonna show you from up here, and I'm gonna be using my mom's phone here because my phone is out of battery. I'm gonna send the message. So the number should be under, like, right here, and you're gonna have a few other things here. You're gonna have little music button, that's just for if you want to like mute it or make it vibrate, and a clear button, and your number should be to the left. So I'm just gonna say hey, click on this little bar here and say hey, and hit send. should come a loading bar saying sending. And when that disappears, it should have appear up here. As you can see, it's sent basically instantly, guys. That's my number. And let me open up my phone. That kind of scared me there too. So it says hey right there. So that was like not even a second, guys. So that's how fast it is. I'm going to show you the reply message. So I'm going to write hi and hit send. Should say sending and sent. And it takes like 2 or 3 seconds just to get the message up here. It says hi. So yeah, that's basically a little rundown video on the Textfree. Let me just clear this conversation real quick so you guys don't see the number. So yeah, I cleared my conversation. Your conversation should appear here, and that's a little rundown on this, how to get free text messaging using an app called Textfree. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you out a lot. Please comment and subscribe and click the like button, thumbs up, and check out all my other videos. And yeah, peace.